Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk to you about handguns. Can I use or how can I use handguns? So let's begin. Handguns are one of the hardest firearms to master, but they are not as complicated. First of all, there are many rules for use it because it's not a joke. Real gun or airsoft gun, it doesn't matter. Step 1. Safety. First, you have to check everywhere. Front, back, right and left side. Everywhere is clear. Step 1 completed. Step 2, check the handgun. Take out the magazine and look at it. It's empty. And check the handgun is empty. And one more. All right. Also, this is an airsoft gun and it uses white plastic bullet like this. And step 3, trigger finger. I use my right hand in my daily life, so this is my trigger finger. Now when we're not shooting, we never put our finger on the trigger. That's really important thing. Always our finger will be out like this. And step 4, wearing glasses, which means protect your eyes. Everybody loves their own eyes and we want anything bad to happen. Also, looks nice but necessary. So, we learned all of the rules for using a handgun. Now, let's try on them. Step 1, safety. And step 2, magazine and check the handgun and one white plastic bullet. Now step 4, wearing glasses. Step 3, trigger finger and shooting. Trigger finger. Stand by. Fire. Look at it, it's empty. All right. So, thank you for watching my video and have a nice day guys. See you later.